For this lesson, we will review the line of symmetry. The directions on this side say, look at each shape, draw a line of symmetry for each one. So remember, the line of symmetry is a line that you could draw where you could fold it on that line and the sides would match up perfectly. So the first shape, we have a triangle. If I were to draw the line of symmetry on a triangle, it would be right down the middle like that, and I could fold the paper together and the sides would match up. So some shapes might have one, some shapes might have more than one, and some shapes might not have any. So I want you to try to draw the lines of symmetry on each shape. On the back side of this worksheet, it says to finish the shape, look at each shape on the left, draw the other half on the line of symmetry. So you're going to match the shapes. So the first one is a triangle. You're going to match the other side of the triangle as best you can. You can match them up so that they look the same. Now you can see mine's not perfect. This side might be a little bit tricky, but I just want you to do the best that you can.